If you like cinnamon rolls, but you are afraid of the sugars and the glucose that it brings in, all those unhealthy artificial ingredients that will shoot up your blood sugar levels if you are a diabetic person, for example, then you are going to have a treat today. We are going to make cinnamon rolls that are very nutritious because we are taking only produce from the mother nature and no heating at all. That means we don't bake anything, we just make everything with raw ingredients. So this is going to be something you are going to enjoy. Watch on. By the way, if you are looking for nutritious, healthy, delicious food, then my channel is meant for you. I post several recipes that do not require any kind of heating. That means the nutrition is retained, but nevertheless, most of the items will taste extremely well. You will be satisfied. So watch on my trailer and subscribe to my channel. Follow some of the videos that I make so you can also get into some healthy habits. We will need a dehydrator for making this recipe, and then also anything which has got a small blender. In my case, I've used a food processor with an attachment. Take some bananas, peel off the skin, and vertically slice the bananas into 4 thin slices. Be careful that you don't break them in between. We want long slices. And then spread all of these on your dehydrated trays. Dehydrate them for about 6 to 8 hours at low temperatures. If you are enjoying the video, can you please click on the like button? When they are ready, take some soft dates and de-seed them. You will need approximately 20 of them. Add to the blender and also add about 2 tablespoons of cinnamon powder. This is very healthy. Process them in the blender until it has got a soft consistency such as this. Once you are done, check the pliability of bananas, or you may have to dehydrate more. Spread the dates mixture onto this carefully, folding them into nice spirals. What is good about this recipe? Bananas have lots of potassium which help improve the immunity, and also you get healthy energy from both dates as well as banana. Cinnamon is a very important medicinal help. It helps in reducing heart risk and diabetes. When is the best time to eat it? Anytime you want. No restrictions. These can be stored for a fairly long time, although I suspect if you would leave it for that long. These are the ingredients that I have used. The cinnamon rolls does take a 3-step process. It is easy to make, but it takes a little longer because first we need to dehydrate the bananas, and then we need to make the puree, and then we need to make the rolls themselves. So it's a 3-step process, definitely. But I think the effort is worth it. The time spent is worth it. Effort actually it is not much, because I think the rolls will come out well. Now let me test it now. It's testing time. Tasting time. Always a surprise for me because I don't know what is in here. I rarely make items exactly the same way I had done it in the past, nor the same items also many times. It's always an experiment. Let me see. Now it looks good by the appearance. It's not brittle, hard like the typical cinnamon rolls are. Appearance wise, it appears a little soft. It is a little sticky, but it doesn't stick to these fingers. It just feels sticky. Maybe also because I made it just now. Oh my god. It's awesome. Wow. Wow. Now, without second thinking, I can say this is among the best dishes that I made. It's ultra delicious. The cinnamon flavor is very strong, just like in a cinnamon roll that you buy from the market. A good one. I'm not comparing with the average ones. With a good one. It is chewy. That difference is there. It doesn't feel like a baked cinnamon roll that you get commercially. It is chewy because the bananas have been dehydrated. And here is the best part. Since any dehydrated item will intensify in its taste, the bananas have become much more sweeter than when I had eaten them before putting them in the dehydrator. So overall, the cinnamon roll is sweet, very strong cinnamon flavor, chewy, definitely ultra delicious. I think we should try it. Thanks for your time. Please click whether you disliked it or liked it. Anything is better than none. Send your comments as well. I post several videos. You may like at least some of them. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and also click on the notification bell.